O Commissioner and Secretary Katanat Kampo Yang Kejala Uba Cyril V Darlong Dingdo Ulaong bag Sorkar Jala Pynkhreh hapoh jong Bnai rempang kan pendep no Thung kampura yaki Pulit hakilai hajar Tylli ki kam ki balan kenang ban penklan yakajing trekam ki Pulit ha kejala.
Sorkar Meghalaya Pynkhreh ban pendep yakajing Thung kampura yaki Pulit kibagentup ya lai hajar ngot ki dekat batamai hapoh tayo baar jong Bnai rempang menta kesnam ar hajar ar puhun rio. Kani kejing thungkam kalong ban pendap ikjaka ke Tylli ha ki thanat Pulit ki outpost bat ki battalion ki beran hakaleng kejela. Habakran bat commissioner bat secretary ke thanat home police uba Cyril VD Dingdo. Uli thu ba menta ka kenti ka thanat kana pnia chakhamat yak interview ha Shillong na ka benta ka Eastern Range bat hatura na ka benta ka Western Range. Hinyo pun rengut ki SI kladap ban rungkam bat menta ke hangdon hapok kejing aji kai ha Nepa. Kikam ke berdangsa ban pendap ki kentup ki constable armed but unarmed branch. Uba Cyril ulai thu ba baro kini ki lai hajar Tylli kikam an pendap pura hapok kata benengkong ne baar jong Bnai rempang.
So this process is ongoing. As we speak, interviews are happening both in Tura and in Shillong for the Eastern Range and Western Range. However, happy to inform you that 76 numbers of sub-inspector recruitment as part of this process have already been completed. In fact, those results are declared and they have joined and they are undergoing training in Nepal. Remaining for other categories like constables, both armed and unarmed branch, is ongoing. We are hoping to complete this by the first week or second week of February. It will obviously help. 3,000 is a big number of recruitment. It will help in ensuring that we are able to fill up these vacancies at various positions and various locations, in police stations, in outposts, in thanas and other locations, including the battalions. And definitely, police requires manpower for many purposes, from law and order management to investigations to other policing functions. So definitely having 3,000 more police numbers will definitely help the police force, augment the Meghalaya police force. The deployment of forces is something that is done from time to time, depending on the need and depending on the requirement of that particular district or that particular unit or battalion. So that is something that is done by the DGP's office and reviewed from time to time, looking at various requirements. We have been strengthening the ANTF, the Narcotics Task Force, and other such units which require to be strengthened. And definitely the manpower will be deployed accordingly and augmented accordingly. So modernization is an ongoing exercise. It is done from time to time. Obviously, from time to time the police equipment and vehicles and other such modern equipment, including drones, have to be upgraded from time to time. That is something that we are doing constantly and also seeking support from the Government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs for funding. So these are also of certain nature where the equipment are certain sensitive nature, which has to be looked into. So this is done from time to time, and the government has recently notified a counter-insurgency and jungle warfare school in Bagmara. That will be a training center to train our police force for counter-insurgency and jungle warfare. It will be a center of excellence, and you might be aware that certain locations in the country have these kind of training centers. So obviously the idea is to not only equip our Meghalaya police but to have the best trainers there, the best training and capacity building program, and it will serve as a center of excellence to even train other police forces if required from time to time. It is to build and augment the capacity of our police force precisely for this purpose, for counterinsurgency and jungle warfare.